Kelsey Hudson, one of the Youth Services librarians at Middleton Public Library, here to show you how to use one of our online resources, the Literary Reference Database. This would be useful if you are doing a project for like an English class and you have to write a paper about a book that you're studying or an author. To get to this database, you're going to go to the library homepage, which is mslibrary.org. And from the homepage, right in the center at the top, you can click on Resources if you hover over it, and then click on Online Databases. These are listed alphabetically. So we're going to go down to L and click on Literary Reference Center. And if you are logging in from home, you're likely going to see this because you are not using a library computer. You are going to have to use your library card number to log in. So if you see this, whoops, you click on Login for immediate access. And then from the drop-down menu, if you type in MI, it'll be a lot faster than scrolling down. But make sure you hit Middleton Public Library, not Middleton Cross Plains Area School District. So once you click on that, then you can go ahead and put in your library card number, and then that'll take you to the homepage, which looks like this. So it kind of looks like a Wikipedia page. There's a featured work, featured author, and then these book highlights at the top are one of the most useful tools on here, I think. It kind of brings together all of the resources that you might need about a particular work. So if, for instance, you're studying The Great Gatsby, then if you click on that, it'll take you to tons and tons of results about The Great Gatsby. And if you wanted to access one of these, all you'd have to do is hit PDF full text, and then it would go ahead and download and take you to that resource. From that homepage on the left, you can see under Browse, there's the most studied authors, the most studied works, all authors, all works, and then full text classics. So if you're trying to do a project and you need the book, but you don't have it, a lot of older books are copyright free, so they are available for free online, so you can click on that. If you click on most studied authors, they are organized by either name alphabetically, country, culture, genre, or movement, and there are tons of them. And for an example, I clicked on Margaret Atwood, so we can see what that looks like. So her page has a biography about her. It has a picture of her. You can listen to some of her works in different accents if you feel like it. And then there's all sorts of related information that will be useful about her. You can also look at the most studied works. There are tons of them. You can just really go nuts on there. And another thing that I think is probably really useful on this homepage would be Citation Help. So if you are trying to figure out how to do your citations, there's all sorts of information about MLA style, APA style, AMA style that can help you format your bibliography. If you are in need of resources beyond what you find here and you're looking for print resources, we offer a service called Librarian's Choice. You can find this on the homepage as well. You just click on this big button and you can fill out this form. You click on Teen, comes to me, and let me know what you need for the project that you're working on and how many books you need, and I can pull those for you and check them out to you.